Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James here. How are you today? In this short video, we would like to share how actually the front Full HD and night vision dash camera video recorder is installed in a truck. And this is a HINO truck, and we already installed the system into the truck, so you can see it here. The main module stay there, and it's hidden behind the mirror, and all the wiring stay hidden on the roof and going down to the way all the way down to the end and bottom, and then go into the head unit and connect to the USB system, and it go all the way in here, and it will show the date, it will show the time, and it will show the speed, which actually we will change the speed from normal into the kilometer instead of mile per hour, and now you will see kilometer. So the video will be seen and recorded in the parameter with the full HD and time and speed. So hopefully this will be helpful, and you can check the video from here, you can play from here, you can check it from the memory card that stay right on the side of the module over here, and this one is full HD level. So hopefully it's something helpful. And yep, HINO truck with our system here, the special one, 9-inch version, and CarPlay and Android Auto, and now it integrates with the front Full HD dash camera. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.